Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to on search right check for updates, and then you need to make sure that your operating system has the latest updates here. And if you don't, just download the update and restart your computer, and then you need to look at that again if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to go to installed apps. Then you need to go to Microsoft Store. Then press on the burger menu here, advanced options here, and then make sure to press repair and reset button here. Right, and after you do so, then again you need to go back on installed apps, and previously if you had a old version of the Minecraft installer, you just need to write Minecraft here and then uninstall the old launcher if you have it on your computer here. And then what you need to do here next is to go to Microsoft Store, press on your profile icon, then sign out and sign in again. And after you do so, then you need to go to date and time settings and make sure to set time automatically and sync now. Press sync now button here. And after that, what you need to do here is to go to Microsoft Store, look for Minecraft, and then you need to try to install, and it should work. And also you can do it from the website. You go to minecraft.net, log into your account, press get Minecraft, and now the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.